la ciencia? We're back again, and for today's vlog, our main topic is all about the nature of science as a subject. We're also going to tackle about the importance of school science subject, the science curriculum goal, features of the science curriculum, and the conceptual framework of science education. Without further ado, let's now explore the world of science education.
Science is one of the most important academic disciplines at every institute. It provides a response to all of our queries about our living and non-living things that surrounds us. Science is a universal discipline that studies the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through the process of observation and experiments. The nature of science as a subject are as follows. Science as a subject is a very crucial process of learning that eventually provides answers to all the things we're curious about. It attempts to answer and explain certain natural phenomena through a thorough research and investigation. Science is a field of scientific inquiry. As a subject matter taught to every student, science doesn't just focus on what is seen and visible on textbooks. Rather, it explores more and studies that case or topic deeply. It proves every topic very well provided with a factual evidences. Science as a subject doesn't just focus on explaining things. It is a subject that involves both teachers and the students. They indulge themselves in doing activities that can provide help them understand every topic well. They discover things through doing hands-on activities. In that way, students can apply their knowledge about the said topic. Science deals with the real things and phenomena. It doesn't believe on supernatural. It only believes on things that are proven and tested. So, science as a subject provides everyone an authentic experience that are useful for a lifetime.
The importance of science curriculum and science subject in school. Science education aims to increase people's understanding of science and the construction of knowledge, as well as to promote scientific literacy and responsible citizenship. Science is useful in that it remedies some of the defects of the ordinary school education. It is found to be the most valuable element in the education of those who have special aptitude. Science provides disciplines of mind. Along with this, children and adolescents can learn, among other things, cognitive skills and problem solving while better understanding the construction of knowledge and the scientific process. These skills will help them manage better in our present society. Science education can also generate an interest in university studies and increase positive attitude towards science in society.
I am here to discuss about the science curriculum goals. The science curriculum envisions the development of scientifically, environmentally, and productive members of the society. This basically means that the science curriculum visualizes and covers their goals on the development of the member of the society when it comes to their capacity to understand, experiment, and reason, as well as interpret scientific facts and their meanings, including asking, finding, or determining answers to questions derived from their curiosity about everyday experiences. Another included intent of the science curriculum is to promote the development of one's ability to use, manage, and understand the concepts of technology, and also to increase the individual's understanding, skills, and motivations to make responsible decisions that considers the relationships to natural system, communities, and future generation. The scientifically, technologically, environmentally, and productive members of the society that embodies the science curriculum are said to be: number 1, critical problem solvers, which inhibit a problem-solving and critical thinking skills that focuses on the study of ability of a person to use knowledge, facts, and data to effectively solve problems. Number 2 is responsible stewards of nature, who is involved in the use and protection of the natural environment through conservation and sustainable practices to enhance ecosystem resilience and human well-being. Number 3 is innovative and creative citizens that introduces changes into relatively stable system and unleash the potential of one's mind to conceive a new varieties of ideas. Number 4 is informed decision makers, which involves a person's way of reviewing trustworthy sources of information that results them in feeling confident about that said situation. Number 5 and the last is effective communicators, which includes a person's capabilities in conveying message thoroughly. They are known to be receptive and responsive to others' input.
And today I'm going to discuss about the features of science curriculum. So the first feature of science curriculum is spiral progression. So the idea of a spiral progression is to expose the learners into a wide variety of concepts or topics. So the second feature is learner-centered. This means that the learner or student is responsible for learning, while the tutor is responsible for facilitating the learning. The third is integrative. Integration focuses on making connection for students, allowing them to engage in relevant, meaningful activities that can be connected to real life. Fourth is evidence-based. It consists of practices that have been vetted through rigorous research. Fifth is culture-sensitive. The curriculum encourages intercultural understanding. Last is inquiry-based. Students are encouraged to explore, ask questions, and share ideas.
The science curriculum is designed around 3 domains of learning science. First, performing scientific inquiry skills. At all levels of science teaching and learning, the science inquiry skills details what students are expected to do. When learners interact with the world in a scientific way, they find themselves observing, questioning, hypothesizing, predicting, investigating, interpreting, and communicating. Second, understanding and applying scientific knowledge in local setting as well as global context whenever possible. Understanding and applying scientific knowledge allow us to develop new technologies, solve practical problems, and make informed decisions, both individually and collectively. Third, developing and demonstrating scientific attitudes and values. Scientific attitudes and values can be developed among the students include those through which their curiosity gets satisfied. They begin to participate in co-curricular activities and think in a practical way.